The legendary keypad king is back, and this time, it's smarter, faster, and ready for the future. The new Nokia 1105G is creating massive hype among Nokia fans and smartphone lovers worldwide. Inspired by the iconic classic Nokia 1100, this futuristic version combines nostalgic design with powerful modern technology. If you grew up using the original Nokia phone, this device will instantly bring back memories while surprising you with its premium 5G features. First of all, the design looks absolutely stunning. Nokia has kept the classic compact body style, but added a modern premium touch with a sleek metallic frame, curved edges, and a stylish matte finish. The phone is expected to feature a bright 6.5-inch HD Plus display with ultra-slim bezels, making it perfect for watching videos, browsing social media, and gaming. Despite the modern upgrades, the device still carries the legendary Nokia durability that fans love. Performance-wise, the Nokia 1105G is rumored to come with a powerful Snapdragon processor combined with up to 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. This means users can enjoy smooth multitasking, fast app launching, and lag-free gaming performance. Whether you're using YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, or heavy applications, this phone is expected to handle everything effortlessly. The biggest surprise is the camera setup. Reports suggest that Nokia may include a 108-megapixel primary camera with AI enhancement technology. This could allow users to capture ultra-clear photos with amazing detail and vibrant colors. Night photography may also improve significantly with advanced low-light optimization. On the front, a high-quality selfie camera is expected for social media creators and video calls. Battery life has always been a strength of Nokia phones, and the Nokia 1105G may continue that tradition with a huge 7,000 mAh battery. Imagine using your phone for 2 full days without worrying about charging. Fast charging support is also expected, allowing users to quickly power up the device in minutes. Another exciting feature is 5G connectivity. With ultra-fast internet speeds, users can stream HD videos, download large files instantly, and enjoy smooth online gaming without interruptions. Nokia may also include Android 17 with a clean and secure user experience free from unnecessary bloatware. Security features such as a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock are also expected, giving users quick and secure access to their phone. Stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging, and water resistance could make this device even more attractive in the budget flagship category. Overall, the Nokia 1105G 2027 looks like a perfect combination of nostalgia and futuristic technology. It could become one of the most exciting comeback smartphones ever released by Nokia. If Nokia launches this device with an affordable price, it may dominate the market and win the hearts of millions once again. For more exciting upcoming smartphone leaks, reviews, and tech updates, stay connected with Upcoming Smartphones Hub.